Hey everybody, Mike Flores here, local Las Cruces realtor and new home expert. Thank you so much for joining me today on another beautiful home tour in sunny Las Cruces. I have a gorgeous home for you here. This is a Monarch home, just under 1,600 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, probably one of the nicest under 1,600 square foot homes you're ever gonna find on this channel. Take a look at this. Starting off with the outside, you got desert landscaping, very easy maintenance, rock arroyo. You got this really nice big boulder on a little knoll of gravel. You got a tree, several bushes, all on a drip system, and a flagstone path for your guests. This is really, really nice. 8-foot garage doors on the front of this home. This is a Tuscan style Monarch home. It's got the little bit of rock on the front entry. You have faux shutters. It has these really pretty pop outs, very nice synthetic grade stucco, 8-foot doors with windows, and of course, the coach lights that you don't have to learn algebra to change the light bulb. That's really, really good. Beautiful day today, by the way. If you're out here looking for a place to retire, you're looking for low taxes, good cost, low cost of living, really great weather, take a look at Las Cruces. You will not be disappointed. I love how Monarch does this. They actually laser cut these in and they mount them to pop out away from, it'd be kind of cool, maybe put a light behind it or something, but the light stucco will actually give you that nice contrast. Just a brilliant way to make it look really, really good instead of just putting the numbers on the actual stucco. And then look at this entrance. Coach light, drop chandelier, 8-foot door, video doorbell. Really, really nice door, by the way. These doors are synthetic. They're actually made of fiberglass and they have a wood insert, but they don't ding, they don't dent, they don't crack, they don't swell. Wow, look at this. So 12-foot ceilings in the foyer, 8-foot door, arch soffits, rounded corners, very light hand trailing, 4¼ inch trim, 24 by 24 inch tile with 1/8 grout lines. I mean, it does not get much better than that. Honeywell thermostat. This is gonna be your light for the hallway. Let's go into the garage. You gotta hand it to Monarch. Finished, insulated, painted, trimmed garage with 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. Got to do the test. Drip system control located here. You have your soft water loop there. You have a tanked water heater with a recirculating pump that gives you instant hot water. And I got a really cool comment the other day asking me about, hey, what about instant cold water for the summers? Brilliant! I have a brilliant audience. Thank you so much. And if you haven't commented, please do. I try to respond to everybody personally. I really love the engagement. And of course, if you have any questions about Cruces, give me a call. I've been here most of my whole life. Really, really nice storage unit here. I mean, you can actually make multiples of these if you'd like. If you come in and I build a home for you in scratch, I can put them on the sides. I can level them here. These are built with OSB board and 2x4s and 2x6s. It's really good. Now, this home does have a full pitched rooftop. This is the actual manhole that gets you into there if you ever go. Now, I'll tell you this, it's not enough to have like a pool room up there or anything like that, but it is enough to put light boxes and give you a little bit of access. Laundry room, just like Monarch always does, upper cabinetry with hardware, undermount light. You got your 3-centimeter thick cords with a plug-in. You got your lower your lower cabinetry, all soft close and full extension. Ready for an electric dryer, and you have your hot and cold here and your 110 for your washer. You also have a low voltage box here, and this is going to basically take all of your Cat 6 and your RG6 from here to all the bedrooms and also to the great room. That's really, really cool to see. And white painted cabinetry with that really nice crown molding all the way across. Really nice. You have your extractor vent fan, your heating and cooling vent, and 2 LED lights. And of course, these self-stop doors. You gotta love Monarch. Linen closet at the entry. I love this. First bedroom we see, got an egress window here. These homes do come with blinds, Energy Star windows, of course, fans in the bedrooms, helicopter fan in the great room, and 8-foot doors on every single door in this house because the smallest ceiling in this house is going to be 10 feet standard, which is really great. I mean, look at the presentation of that. You have a nicho, an entry, another entry there, just a super beautiful, clean, I mean, the epitome of New Mexico arches, I'll tell you. Nice nicho. You got your 3 centimeter thick quartz ledging. Front bedroom, which is my favorite bedroom of all. Always it has that really pretty decorative window, and you get to see that really nice landscape. And I can assure you, in about 3 or 4 years, this landscaping is gonna be absolutely stunning. And that's standard for Monarch. 8-foot doors again. Look how they finished the actual cabinet, or the shelving. Control the speed and the lights inside these bedrooms. You don't even have to get up and flip a switch. You can leave that right next to your bed. Really nice guest bathroom. 3 centimeter thick quartz, pop-out mirror. You got herringbone patterns all the way to the ceilings in the shower, Delta faucets, fixed window for natural light, 2 wet nichos. Really nice drop light, soft close cabinetry, continuing that beautiful white painted cabinetry. This is beautiful stuff. And then look at this dovetail construction. You can see that right there. All the hardware is included. Now my favorite part, look at this. After you get past all that, it explodes into this. And remember folks, this is 1,586 square feet. I did one of these recently and it got like 115,000 views. And I can see why. I mean, if you're looking to retire, you're looking to right size or downsize, this floor plan will do it. You have a gourmet kitchen here, built just the same way, by the way, as our luxury lines. You got 2x6 construction, but all the components inside the home itself are the same that we use for the 800, 700, 600,000 range. And that's kind of the trick to these. A little bit deeper upper cabinets here. Staggered height, crown molding all the way across, very clean crown molding. You got your pendant lights, beautiful upper line quartz, 3 centimeters thick. Blanco sink, smart faucet. Floating garbage disposal switch over here, trash can and recycle pullout. This is really, really done well. You got all these cabinetry. I mean, that's one thing, is a lack of storage. A lot of these new homes and a lot of homes in general have, especially at this size. You typically don't get a lot of storage. Look at this, they just tested it. Got the metal inside. Another thing that I really love, I mean, the herringbone pattern backsplash up to the ceiling, you have it on the Java station as well, but look at how they turn these to better distribute your actual, your cables and wires and stuff, so you don't have cables going everywhere. That's really, really brilliant. Just kind of forward thinking, to be honest. LG appliances, 36-inch gas cooktop to go with your stainless steel vent. Cooking in here is awesome. You got your glass pantry door into a corner pantry. And we use every bit of those shelves all the way up to the 8 feet, and it's still a 10-foot ceiling even in the pantry. And of course, folks, if that's too cliche, I could do a regular door if you'd like. Either way, I could do it for you. Chandelier, designated dining room, and I mean, look at the actual accessibility wise. So you're in the great room there, you have your kitchen here, and you have your dining room there. Really nice L-shaped open concept that just, I mean, it's second to none. You have your ceiling treatment in the great room, rock stack fireplace over here, comes with a remote control. You got your TV to mount here. This is really nice. You have a hidden light up here. You have hidden lights on top of the cabinetry and under the cabinetry. You could literally illuminate this entire area just with ambient light, which is super nice. Ambient light is like no direct light on you. Like these are all direct lights. The ambient light will just light up the area, and as the light fails outside, this becomes more and more beautiful and it illuminates far, far more. Right now it's actually fighting the natural light, which is very difficult to do. So you have a 12-foot by 8-foot door here, our 12-foot high by 8-foot door. It does come with screens. It opens up 6 foot wide into an extended patio. I'm gonna open this up all the way. Look how easy that is. Huge outside patio. Look at the size of this home site. You got some mountains over there too. And I assure you folks, I've said this in my video before, those mountains look closer than they do in the videos. But I'm scared to zoom in. I don't want to give you the wrong impression. You got really nice rock walls. You have your trim bushes, 2 trees, everything on a drip system. Look how tall this rock wall is. Privacy, check. You got side gates that are actually double gates on both sides. So if you're trying to get an RV in here, a truck, or if you're doing a project back here, the easier the access, the less expensive it's gonna be to do any projects in the back. This is a stunning. Remember, 1,586 square feet. You got your plug-in back here, you got a hose bib in the back, and you also have a hose bib in the front. If you like to entertain, even at 1,586 square feet, this would be a home that you can't miss. You have to look at these because they're impressive. Entry to the master suite, you have an arched soffit there, you have an arched nicho with your quartz ledging. Now in the master suite, this client had us actually put tile in here instead of carpet. It's actually a pretty common thing we get asked for is tile in bedrooms or tile in a study or tile in the suite or just tile throughout. But master suites always come with this tray with a hidden light, the accent paint, and of course a fan and 2 windows. If I had to tell you this, it's about a 15 by 13 or a 16 by 13 master suite, certainly big enough for a large bed and even a lot of furniture as well. 8-foot door going into the, now, I'll tell you this, before we go into the actual master suite, now, I always talk about reading rooms. Well, imagine that that's all a reading room. like it used to be when I was a kid. You come in, you have your sinks, your mirrors, your cabinetry, your drop lights, your toilet, your shower. And by the way, that is one of the nicest showers you're gonna find. Beautiful Delta faucet with a rain shower head, handheld, soap dish, everything's adjustable. You got your frameless glass door with a glass shroud. You got a huge soaker tub that's freestanding with that beautiful tile work all the way behind it, and they didn't forget the schluttering to give you that nice, clean, defined line. Now, this is an obscure window, by the way, but they also include the blinds there to actually control the light. So if you're trying to, keep the light down in here, if you need a lot of light, you can still control it without having to, take away the privacy element of it. Really smart. Nice master closet, LED lights, lots of cubbies, lots of different types of hang styles. What's not to love? Well, I'll tell you folks, as always, showing Monarch Homes is an absolute treat. If you ever have questions about home builders in Las Cruces and would like some of these tours private, most of the homes that I do now, not all of them, but most of them never even hit the market. So they actually, I get called and like, hey, come do a view, come do a tour, show it to your audience. I love doing these things. It keeps me on the forefront. And for more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. Please reach out if you have any questions about real estate. I'm always looking forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.